I picked up these 3 lanterns from a local thrift shop, and they've been sitting for a while. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, but 'tis the season. So I grabbed some chalk paint, and I figured I'd just start painting. Well, I was wrong. In order to brighten these up, because as you can tell, they look a little dingy, I decided I had to remove all the glass. And that was a little bit of an undertaking. Only one of them had a candle, so that was easy to remove. Then I took the screws out to remove the tops, which the screws were a little rotted out. These must be a little old. I removed the glass, and now you can see I'm able to paint the inside. I went outside with some spray paint, Krylon Fusion, hammered metal, and did the tops. I was so excited to paint, came back in, then realized I needed to remove the hardware. After removing all the hardware, I got 1 full coat of black-brown chalk paint, Java and black mixed together by Folk Art. Let that dry, and then I decided I didn't want them all that dark. So I went over it with some Dixie Belle cotton, I want to say it is, and this is what we've got. But we're not done yet. I did have to buy some new screws because, like I said, some of those screws were rotted out. But now we're on to the fun part, decorating each one of these lanterns. I wanted all 3 of them to be different, but all to have a wintry, Christmassy, holiday feel. I grabbed some of these bottle brush trees from Dollar Tree and Target. Also, I've got some of that indoor fluffy faux snow, some 4-inch wood rounds, and then I don't know, like I said, I didn't really have a plan. I used fairy lights in all of them, and this is how they turned out. I wonder which one is your favorite. I'm not able to choose just yet because, I don't know, like I said, they're all different. But it was a super fun project, a little bit more than I was looking to get into, but I think they turned out great. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a like, subscribe, follow me, Sweet Charity Smith at Harvest Market and Cafe. Thank you.